Mindfulness, practiced in nature, has the power to remedy our hijacked attention in this digital age. It satisfies a deep yearning to reconnect with the natural world. The Feathered Pipe Ranch, with raw, wild nature all around, offers a spectacular setting for just that. At our 7th running in 2023 of our homegrown Feathered Pipe program, the Mindful Unplug, we'll again spend much of our time outdoors to soak up the soul medicine of this sacred place as we move and meditate, stroll and inquire, and reclaim relationship with land and sky. The primary teacher at the Mindful Unplug is the place it happens, the land of the ranch. There are human guides too. Anne, that's me, shares accessible yoga, mindful movement, and meditation. Our sensory awareness friend Zane guides forest immersions and an enchanting nightfall meditation. The incomparable Matthew Marsolek and family add a profoundly joyful and vibrant dimension to the week as we find our own rhythms through group drumming, music, and dance. Join us at the Mindful Unplug for Season 7.